Hey guys, it's Master Daniel with Pandas Karate, and today me and Link are going to be investigating into something really interesting today. If you haven't liked or subscribed to our channel yet, please do. We really appreciate it. Link also appreciates it too. I wanted to dive straight into this with you guys. When I first heard this, I was like, wow, this is really crazy, and then it's just starting to really build up steam. A Palestinian American Muslim girl who went to a school called the Hewitt School, which is an elite all-girls school in Manhattan, actually is suing the school because she got expelled for standing up to a bully. Expelled for standing up to a bully? I mean, let's really just dive into it for a second. Come on, Link. We don't really know anything about this school, right? So let's double check. All right, so apparently the Hewitt School is an all-girls elite school. It started in 1920. And they're really big on like empowering girls and really standing up for girls' rights and things like that, and just really getting them ahead. But it's really sad that apparently on April 16th, 2018, this girl, basically, I'm reading this off of Yahoo's website, but this was posted on the New York Post. They said that one day during math class, a classmate allegedly threatened to kill the girl in front of the teacher. When the girl decided to tell the teacher to help her with it, you know what the teacher said? Just forget about it. Just forget about it. How are you supposed to forget about it if a girl threatens you that way? I mean, in order for it to be bullying, it has to be repeated, right? So definitely this wasn't a one-time type of thing. Right, Link? Okay. So after that, the school possibly showed callous attitude toward the girl who was dealing with not only a father who was diagnosed with a devastating illness, but it's just really sad what the Hewitt School kind of did to this girl. To expel her, I don't really think that was appropriate. What happened to the bully? I'd love to know. As you guys know, I always tell you to stand up for yourself, to really move forward. No one should hold you back. You're supposed to tell somebody like a teacher, guidance counselor, principal. I don't know why something like that has to even happen. I hope you guys can take this and comment below. I'd love to know what you guys would have done in this situation. Do you think she did a good job? Do you think the school handled it well? Please comment below and let me know, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and have a great day.